October 2024. Once again, I want to thank you and congratulate you for this wonderful practice.
Thank you very much. While that's going on, I recognize the presence of our number one citizen.
We welcome the pioneer district governor of Rotary International District 9112, our number one Rotarian, as far as the international is concerned, Rotarian Olufemi Adenekan, here with his amiable spouse, traveled all the way just to ensure that they attend the installation of the 9th presidential Rotary of Magodo Central. It is not easy for the DG to be here. He is on his general routine as district governor and it's still quite time. Thank you very much, my district governor. We appreciate you with our amiable spouse.
Thank you very much. Moving on very quickly, please, I'd like to invite Rotarian Olufemi Adenekan, the president of the Rotary Club of Ikoyi Metro, to please come forward and receive this award. And to present this award, please permit me to invite past District Governor Remi Bello FCA to please, sir. Past District Governor Remi Bello FCA to please present this award to one of our pillars, Rotarian
Thank you very much, my irresistible President Emeka Ezeh, Magodo Central. My irresistible district governor and his beautiful wife, you are most welcome. Fellow Rotarians and friends, this is an award of appreciation, which I'm not surprised for. You deserve it. Presented to Rotarian Adenekan, in recognition of your financial support, towards the success of this investiture of irresistible President Emeka Ezeh. You are indeed an irresistible pillar of the installation. Congratulations, we appreciate it.
Thank you very much. Just before we hear from the DG and we induct our new members, I also want to quickly call on a representative of Chief Chidi Elemo to please come forward and receive the award on his behalf. Chief Chidi Elemo.
Thank you, man. Sorry.
Very quickly. To present this award, I'll call on the Assistant Governor of the club, Rotarian Abdul, to please present this award to Chief Chidi and one of our pillars for today. Thank you very much.
All right, it's a pleasure to do this on behalf of my club, which is called Magodo Central, and a word of appreciation to Chief Chidi in recognition of the financial support towards the success of the 2024 installation ceremony as an irresistible pillar. We appreciate you on behalf of my president, Mr. Closer, on behalf of the president and all members of the Club of Magodo Central. We say thank you very much and congratulations on this award. Thank you. Congratulations.
Moving on very quickly, I would like to invite our keynote speaker for today, past District Governor Bola Oyebade, to please step forward for his award and to present this is no other person than our number one citizen, the District Governor himself, Rotarian Femi Adenekan. Thank you very much. Please, a proper round of applause to find the DG's core team will recognize you, the district treasurer, the district secretary, and other members of the core team. Thank you very much.
You know, when you have a president who is a public speaker, next, you are bound to have some of those things. Anyway, it's a good day being here, and I'm happy I've presented this award to our guest speaker, my friend and brother, Billy Bola Oyebade of the Rotary Club of Maryland again, past district governor of District 9110. Well, we sincerely thank you for making our time to be here with us, and on behalf of the President and leaders of Rotary Club of Magodo Central, I hereby present this application award to Femi Adenekan in recognition of the immense contribution to the success of the 2024 installation ceremony as the keynote speaker. Congratulations, sir. And it's signed by Rotarian Emeka Ezeh, 2024-2025 Existing President. You know, this is the 5th of October. Congratulations, sir.
My teaching, please you stay back. This is a very symbolic award we'll be presenting, and this is to no other person than to Rotarian Bukola Bakari. It's interesting to note that this is the same person who, as a president of the Rotary Club of Ikeja GRA, bettered this club and nurtured it, didn't allow it to die until today. Her support and her encouragement up to this very day is recognized by the club. She's unavoidably absent. I would like to invite past President Femi Bakari to please come forward and receive this award on behalf of Rotarian Bukola Bakari. If she was still, if he was a member of our club, ordinarily she would have been our employee. But we recognize that this is a special recognition award for our contributions to Rotary Club of Magodo Central.
Well, I have to also add to that history DG Bukola Bakari and myself together. When the Rotary Club of Magodo Central was chartered, I was the district secretary and I was instrumental to the formation. And when the club was struggling, I had, as DDE, I had to join our strategic meetings to ensure that this club does not go down. And I'm very happy Femi is here with us to receive this award on our behalf for the role she has played in ensuring that the sustenance and the growth of this club. I didn't already say she deserves more than this. The token of our appreciation as well, on behalf of not only the Rotary of Magodo Central, but on behalf of District 9112, I send my heartfelt appreciation to DGM Bukola Bakari for the role she has done in the battle, formation, the sustenance, and the growth of this club. I sincerely wish to thank her. It is being recorded live. Let this get to her. I appreciate her and I thank her so much. Congratulations. And I sincerely want to thank this guy. He is a revolutionary president. He promised to change the fortune, and with the members of the club, they are changing the fortune of this law for you. Emeka, I'm proud of you. Congratulations. I hope at the end of the day I'm going to thank
DJ, just before you leave and without wasting time, I want to invite the 5 brand new persons that the club has deemed fit to be members of this club, our inductees. They have waited patiently. They didn't want to be inducted by anybody else. They wanted it by the district governor, and their dreams have come true. Incidentally, I am an advocate of diversity, equity, and inclusions, but I've disappointed you, my DG, because I was unable to find a man. I found 5 professionals, and they are all women, and today I present to you the 5 female inductees of the Rotary Club of Magodo Central. My DJ, let's move upstairs. I would invite, without wasting time, soon to be Rotarian also Sandra Ebono. She is an insurance practitioner. Please come forward quickly, come upstairs quickly. Also, I want to bring on stage soon to be Rotarian Okafor Noye. Please come up very quickly. Also, she is an accountant by profession. I also have Olori Adenuga Oluwanishola. Please come forward very quickly. She is a HR and communications consultant. Also is Barrister Diana Wachiku, a legal practitioner. Also, one of the new members who has a history with Rotary as a Rotarator and an Interactor. Thank you very much. Last but not the least is our very own, soon-to-be Rotarian Akuna Madu. She's an entrepreneur, a baker, and a freelance writer. Please, your round of applause can be better. My DJ, I present to you my 5 new babies. Thank you, sir.
Emeka, you have not done bad. You have actually done good. Can I have all the existing members to please rise?
Members.
The existing members of this law. Aha. How many? Okay. Okay. I want to thank you because why I said I wanted you to stand up is because these new members will be joining you and they will be resting on your shoulder. And you need to mentor them so that your club, by the end of this year, you will grow back to 30. That is interesting. Well, on behalf of the president, I invite our Rotary leaders here present to join me at this auspicious occasion. May I call on the DGE, Larry Adedoyi, and PDG Bola Wibade and PDG Remy Bello to please join me off stage as we adorn them with the pin. I believe they have been introduced properly. You have gone through the board and you have paid your dues. Joining Rotary is not joining a social organization. It's joining an organization that has a purpose, and our core values are fellowship, service, diversity, integrity, and leadership. So I want to enjoin you to please carry this with you and ensure each time you wear this thing, you exemplify what it signifies as a woman of integrity. I don't want to discuss more speeches. We will just go. Can we have others have it? May I have Rotarian Emeka join us?
Is my DG's hand shaking?
So let us please adorn them with the Rotary pin, which signifies the admission into Rotary to this day, 5th of October 2024. Congratulations.
Congratulations to the newly inducted Rotarian.
Who are the sponsors? Can we please? Who are the sponsors? Wow. The president is the sponsor of the flag. Congratulations. Please join the picture.
All members of Magodo Central, please come on stage. This is the highlight of the moment when you are inducting 5 new Oshara female members. God be with you.
Well, thank you very much. Who will be the sponsor, the mentor? You should assign them to their various committee for engagement so that they will be fully involved and engaged in Rotary activities. This assignment to immediately. Congratulations. So, MC to not Rotary. Thank you. May I have the 4 new members join me in the photo session? The 4 new members, please join me in the photo session.
The 4 new members.
Can we have the 4 new members join us for a second? Please join me here. The new members, please join us here. President.
Okay. Hello. Hello.
Thank you. Can we have our leaders join us like this? Please, our leaders, PDG and DG, please join us for this session. These new members are so bright now. They are very clever. Stay in one place. PDG. Thank you. Okay.
Thank you. So we have the duties address now.
the Investiture President, Rotarian Emeka Ezeh,
DJ, bring it up, bring it up.
Amigo spouse, Rotarian Fikayo Adenekan, the District Governor-elect, Rotarian MaryJane Mgbada-Amakwe, our flankers district governors, Bola Oyebade and Remi Bello, you are recognized. Irresistible presidents of other clubs here present, fellow Rotarians, my core team members led by the District Executive Secretary, the District Treasurer, and incidentally the Chief of Staff could not make it, but the Special Assistant to the District Governor, in his own right, is the AG to this club. That's why they have done, you are recognized. All other past presidents, fellow Rotarians, guests, and friends. Well, today is a very beautiful day for us. And we sincerely want to thank everyone that has stayed forth and ensured that they honored us to attend this event. For us, the change of pattern in Rotary signifies a change of administration from one president and board to another president. That is what we have done. And each time we do this, it's also an opportunity for us to ensure that we raise funds for the purpose of taking care of the needs we have identified in our community. And the Rotary Club of Magodo Central has just done that today. For those of us who have donated, we sincerely thank you. For those who still have it in their mind, kindly generously donate to the cause of Rotary. We are an organization rated by Charity Navigator for 14 years consecutively with 4-star rating, the highest ranking any organization could get. As the foremost humanitarian service organization in the world, we have continually impacted our world. We pride ourselves as an organization that started the eradication of polio, and today we are seeing the end of polio. At least we have seen it ended in Nigeria, and it remains just 2 countries, Pakistan and Afghanistan. So I urge you, not to bore you with more speeches, to please support our cause and continue to do good in our world. Now, I want to speak on the Rotary Club of Magodo Central. As I've said earlier on, history has made me and has made me so much involved in this club. As the district secretary in 2010, I was involved in the formation of this Rotary Club. And after that, the club continued to wax. But the club began to experience some turbulence. And we had opportunities. And it was almost going to say that let us wind the club down and let members there go home. But we had a visionary leader in the person of DGM Bukola Bakari, who beckoned on me as district governor-elect then and said that please, you need to come and address the few members that are left in this club that are active. Of course, they are still forward-looking Rotarians. They are upward mobile-looking Rotarians, very engaged, successful individuals, but are struggling with their time for the purpose of Rotary. And you see in their dress and their posture that they are not pushovers. But it took this vision. I'm saying this for us never to give up on any club. even with the last man standing, the club can still survive. And I sincerely want to thank the immediate past president who honored my invitation that day, who with other past presidents of the club who we met with. At that point, we introduced Rotarian Emeka Ezeh, who transferred his membership from the Rotary Club of Maryland, and today the story has changed. I sincerely want to thank all the members that made it, that said they will not give up, and they didn't give up on the club. And I also want to thank all the past presidents that I met with for about 2 hours to ensure that the club did not go down. I also want to thank Rotarian Emeka Ezeh for choosing to join the club, and he has shown by his leadership with the induction of 4 new members today. The history is changing for him. And this, why I'm saying this is to all my presidents in the house, all club leaders, whether past president, that we should not give up on any club. Even with one man standing, the club still has a chance to survive. I've seen it happen in many clubs. This is about the 5th story, the 5th of such story that I had. The first one was the Rotary Club of Obantuku, which I organized as a section chair. Until I had my cousin join the club, then the story changed and the club grew. So we have had other clubs like that. So every club will have the sitting stage, and I thank God and I thank all the members for what you have done today, the show of love, the camaraderie you have displayed, and the good oneness you have shown today. I sincerely want to thank you. You have not started. Your place is up. Please work towards it and ensure you achieve it. On this note, I sincerely thank you for waiting for me. I've been so engaged. I was in the Kenneth today as early as 9 a.m. in the morning for governor's visit. Thereafter, I had to join them at their investiture simultaneously. And I also visited the Rotary Club of Chagabugoya on my way for their installation, then to come to this place. I sincerely thank you for having me and my team. I thank you for the leadership, and thank you very much.
We thank our deputy for honoring our invitation and also speaking his minds to us. We are indeed very happy. We're glad to have you many more times as we celebrate in Magodo Central. Thank you for being part of us. Thank you for sharing with our vision, and thank you for all that you do for Magodo Central. On this note, we have had a long time, and I think it is worthwhile that we now go into the auction sales. We have a special gift here, which came from Germany, stopped at the United States of America, and then it was brought out here. And so it's a wonderful gift that only the person that bids last gets the gift. So we have the auction sales now. I will call on the president to launch. Then you start making your bidding. It is American auction sales. You pay for how much you bid, and so the last person to bid will get the prize. President, Oshana President, please come on stage. You need to launch the auction sales with an amount. I want to see the treasurer as well, because we need to keep record of the biddings that we have. Where is the treasurer? Okay, the chair of the Investiture Planning Committee, your attention is needed. Okay, President, you will launch this.
All right, very much, my MC. I understand this is an auction, right, sir? And it's an American auction. And considering the value of what is in it and how expensive it is, bearing in mind how much the club had to take a loan just to buy what is wrapped here. And not just that what is in there is expensive, what is inside what is there is also very expensive. And so on that note, we'll start the auction sales from the sum of 50,000 naira as a starting sum. So I believe whatever is added on it is what the difference is what everybody pays. Thank you very much, MC.
The President has just opened the floor for more biddings to come in. He has put down a sum of 50,000 naira, and so the bidding starts now. We have 50,000 naira on board. Who is ready to take this monumental gift home? Chairman, the gift is more than too big. As well. Okay. Who wants to take this wonderful gift home? We have a sum of 50,000 launched by the President. We are not looking to the auction sales. AG, I don't know. Okay, yes, better. DJ.
So, distinguished Rotarians, yes, and friends. We have an auction material here, and as explained, the last bidder goes with that package, fully branded. You wouldn't want to miss the package itself. The President has started with a sum of 50,000 naira, and whoever bids last gets that material. It would be a bad idea to have one of the newly inducted Rotarians go home with that. So this is auction. Whatever you add is what you are paying. Exactly. If you say 55,000, you are paying 5,000. If you say 60,000, you are paying. Whatever you are adding is what you are paying. So it will be nice for you to go with that auction package, and it will be. It's a special package. You need to know what is inside by owning it. So you need to own it and discover what is in there.
I do confirm that it is heavy.
It is quite heavy.
Quite heavy.
It is monumental.
It is monumental.
So this is Magodo Central. It's a golden item. 50,000 on board. Wait, what? 50,000. 50. Yes, it's something. Anything. Whatever you add, you pay, and you get the package. If nobody says anything, you have 50,000. 55,000.
What's your name? Diana.
Rotarian. Diana. 60,000. Like who? Treasurer.
Treasurer.
Vice President. 60,000. Going for 50,000 naira. Going 80,000.
80,000.
Scented habits. She's really scented. 80,000. Going 100,000.
New inductee.
100,000 naira. Give me your name.
So that
Rotarian Olori. 100,000. Olori in Yoruba means the coin. Who is going to brag with the coin? 100,000. Going for 100,000 naira. Going.
105,000.
Vice President, 105. 120,000. Scented habits. 120,000.
You see it, can you?
Everyone on 10,000.
10,000.
So
How much?
20,000. 140,000.
140,000.
Everyone on 10,000. 140.
Don't mention 9,000 here. She has
Go say 140,000. Everyone on 10,000.
200,000. Scented habits.
Scented habits. 200,000.
It's an habit, not just.
For you to be an habit, you must be scented.
Yes, now.
200,000. Going for 200,000.
200,000.
Going for 200. Going.
Okay, Diana.
140. 205,000. Vice President. Evermore is 10,000.
It's 10,000.
We are still on 200,000. She did. The Evermore is start until she change the Evermore.
You want to change it?
200,000. Going for 200,000 there. Go. 210,000. 210,000. Rotarian MaryJane. He is the new president of Mushin Metro. 210,000. 210,000. Yes. This is what you call Ajawo Estate. Everyone 10,000. That makes it 220,000. We are 220,000. What you call Ajawo Estate? Magodo Central. Somebody from Ajawo Estate wants to take over. 220,000. Going for 220,000. These people has been quiet with.
The chairman said I should come to Antony Golden
is Golden. My president. We are on.
The chairman said I should come here.
220,000.
And you should take the
No, now. You just added 10,000.
Just add the one.
How much are you adding to add it to yourself?
250,000. Antony Golden is powerful.
250,000. Ajawo Estate. Alpha.
Ajawo Estate, you take me home.
There's a game changer. 40,000. 250,000. Ajawo Antony Golden. 250,000. 250,000. Why is everybody white? Change that bit. You go green. You green. Hey. Send that bit. So why you go green for this kind of thing? 260,000. Vice President. Magodo Central. 260,000.
Let me check Antony Golden.
Check Antony Golden. Let me check Mr.
No, we check out to remains. What's
that? Everyone needs the list with them. You
remains 10,000.
over it. President, where are we going? 260. They should express. Yeah.
Embargo on 20,000 naira.
280,000.
280,000 Antony Golden.
Embargo on 20,000.
If you think say easy.
Sure.
Run
280,000. Embargo on 20,000. Going for 280,000. Going for 280. Going. MaryJane. You called me. 280,000. Embargo on 20,000. He's your guy now. He's your boyfriend. He wants to blow the door. 300,000. Mushin Metro. 300,000.
They are powerful people.
Mushin Metro. MaryJane. Antony Golden versus Mushin Metro.
Let me check Antony Golden.
Check. I deal with MaryJane.
You have MaryJane.
I deal.
You like woman.
I like woman. Embargo on 20,000. Embargo on 20,000.
Magodo
Magodo want to
raise the bar.
You want to applicate
300,000 Mushin Metro MaryJane.
320,000 and 20 Goldie.
You say what?
You say Goldie.
There's Mushin Metro.
Metro is like transport. So
it's Mushin.
Anything
that is where money is.
Maybe when you are passing by, going somewhere, they say go.
MaryJane, shop
go.
Shop this guy.
Chairman, okay. Mahala. Everyone go on 50,000. So if you want to call anything, check it to
Bonaventure,
don't check the name.
The chairman. Revolution League. Don't you know about Revolution Lagos? That's why you don't touch that. Everybody go on 50,000.
You go fear. Na here you go fear.
Nothing. Go and check Anthony Godi and Mushin Metro.
But the chairman sent me there.
You go back, you go just go there.
Okay.
I stay with the chairman.
But you don't do anything for them.
370,000. Everybody go on 50,000.
What powerful man you are.
What can do for your house?
You said you should get back.
When you did it come?
My DG in absentia, that's the three governors. Oh, my DG sir, your shoe shine, your face was shine. Finance boy in the building, I see you happy.
He's here.
Finally, Emeka.
Emeka, where you see this your friend?
My past presidents. No, I need to come. I'm a protocol.
Sleep protocol, now also will be.
I'm a certified Rotarian. Alright?
Now money the protocol now.
As I was saying before, I was doing Rotary. My past president, Otuba, you are doing. I see you, sir. My current president, Magical, irresistible, beautiful, Rotarian Chilo, my honorable treasurer, below the line, only son of Dasuki. And this one is supposed to be good. I don't know what I'm doing with my husband.
Dasuki Gates.
Fellow Rotarians, guests and friends. How much do you know?
370. Everybody go on 50,000.
No, they're not saying we give them out.
Nobody talk about.
Sit down and dance.
Na chairman raise them that go. Na him put the money. After no get more for the shipping.
Is it fair to all of us?
Be the beneficial to all of us.
Is it fair? We need Costa. How they read out the we need Costa
The investor.
Meanwhile, my trophy got finished. I think who is in charge of the trophy? Hello?
You never talk to you. This guy don't have good first. Give am mic, make you raise the elbow, change the elbow.
Everybody wey dey talk to our ears. Na only
Everyone have 50,000 naira. 370, going for 370,000. Monkey, carry my liver, I collect that.
My brand new spanking new president, I feel highly insulted to this fact because the microphone was snatched away from me. My DG is there, and this is not fair to all concerned. I am a Rotary, I want to plead. What you all plead? Essay! I'm the way they say for this occasion.
It's on his way.
How can they stand microphone for me? What?
How much?
All right, because my president is here, I would like to get an invitation. So they're going to call us to do. I see you, Mama. You're looking beautiful. You're looking beautiful. How much is it?
How much?
All right. On behalf of my president, Rotarian leaders of men of Tiba and Caliber, silent achievers. Silent achievers. We would like to up the stake to 420,000 naira.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
420,000. Embargo of 50,000 stays stands.
60. Anything 60,000.
60,000.
Yes.
So we have 430,000.
Yes.
430,000. Embargo of 60,000. My chairman, somebody did something here. He don't brag for anybody.
Don't brag.
My chairman. Chairman, they feel you. Yeah, the real chief. Embargo on 60,000. Who they?
My big sir, how for the microphone? My spanking new Investiture president. I think for me, one of the many benefits of Rotary is being able to fellowship at different fora. It's a privilege to fellowship with Ibadan, Port Harcourt, Abuja, and Abeokuta. And there are sometimes that things will stay inside you when you experience some, new friendship. New friendship in terms of Rotarians. New friendship in terms of connections. New friendship in terms of new friendship.
We are still on something.
Not something. Do you want to continue? Sorry, what's your name? MaryJane. Please, a round of applause for Rotary. Mushin. You are beautiful indeed. Because of you, something is stirring within me. It is shaking me from left to right. It's turning me inside of me and wahala. On behalf of my president, which president? I'd love to move my stake up from 420 to 500,000. Wow.
Put your hands together for my Rotarian brother. I call him Duduye. Young millionaire.
You are here on the cross. Don
Vicky of Lagos. Number one. You shall be thinking with Vicky.
Wahala.
500,000. Not you, where are we? 500,000.
500,000.
Going 500,000 naira. Going 500,000. Going.
What happened now?
Give me a microphone.
560,000.
560,000 naira. Irresistible President Mushin Anthony Golden.
Anthony Golden is dominating the scene.
Magodo, where are you?
As at now.
Where is Magodo?
Magodo, we don't take charge of you. I told you don't override you. 460,000
Sainted habits. They came from all the way from Antony to dominate. How now? They go green. 560,000. Eh? No, now they are your people. You see them at your fellowship now. Eh?
Yes, sir.
560,000. 60,000 level. Is it on board?
Just add 60.
Going for 560,000. Going for 560,000 naira. Where is the president? Are you ready to read the
President Anthony Goldie has been
President General among the nation. Going for 560,000 naira to the president of voting government Anthony Goldie. Go and sit with the bell down.
It's not problem.
Sit with the bell.
It's money home.
Who? Okay. Did you say any? Sorry, I said DG.
The president.
The president said anyone who takes it to 600,000 plus, he will ring the bell. Going for 560,000 naira. 600,000.
600,000.
President, what do you want
No, let's not go for 6,000.
Ever go on 60,000. The president has broken it by saying anyone that takes to 600, I will send it. Going for 600,000.
Do you want to change it?
Going
620.
620,000.
Anthony Goldie.
Give me the president. Motion over. 620.
Who give the embargo? Wetin the embargo? Na money.
President has power.
Na money the embargo. Na money the embargo.
So who gives the embargo now can have the floor. 620,000. Going for 620. Anthony Goldie.
Anthony Goldie 620.
Going 620.
620.
There's no embargo again. The president lifted the embargo.
What are you adding?
I'm still thinking.
President break the embargo. So we have moved on.
She's adding it. I'm still
She has no added.
thinking. I'm still thinking.
She's thinking. She's thinking out loud.
Thanks, sir. Congratulations, sir. One final. Sorry, I hope you're not so tired. But they still chill. You're not
Sitting next to the chairman, he must be a ritualist. It's mind.
That's it beside. Sorry. Did you end it? I want to end it. Did you end it?